Why are you doing this to me when I tell you I was trying to get a flight? 1, 2 drinks.
3 drinks.
That's it. Give me a hotel room to let me calm down. Give me a hotel room. I only need 24 hours to sober up. Why are you trying to sit me in jail and you still put a handcuff on me for no reason?
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. December 15th, 2024, a passenger is arrested under Florida Statute 856-011 after Spirit Airlines denies boarding and she refuses to leave.
Assist me in traveling. Who's going to assist me in traveling after?
First, what's going on? What happened?
I want to know what's going on. I had a flight for Bradley Airport.
Just say we're on the 22. 41.
I got a Bradley Airport ticket to Bradley Airport to Connecticut.
Yeah.
Well, from Miami to Bradley Airport for 10-something today, the 15th. I'm willing to travel that flight. Yeah, I've been drinking a little bit, but I still want to travel home.
Yeah.
I want to make it home.
Okay.
So what does that have to do with her travel, making me a flight?
All right, but you got to understand, your delivery right now is kind of rough.
But it's not rough. I've been asking her nicely.
Listen.
Even before I spoke to her, I spoke to another person.
You're not letting me talk to you.
I am.
I understand that. Remember, end of the day, it's spirit.
Yeah, it
Spirit
is.
allows if they want you to fly or not. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
So, like I'm trying to say to you, I don't know what their policy is, but you got to follow that. But when you've been drinking enough, you're a little toasty. You are.
1, 2 drinks.
3 drinks,
That's
you put
it.
it out of your finger right there.
But I'm not. But
listen.
I'm not overreacting. I'm not being mean to her.
Listen.
But have I been mean to you?
Listen.
I've been very polite to you.
You're not listening to me.
I just want a flight.
You listen to me.
I understand what you're saying.
This is what we're gonna do.
Yes.
You're gonna talk to her, and what their decision is their final decision. Okay.
Okay.
So
let me ask you a question before the final decision, because I ain't stupid.
Yeah.
Her final decision, she's gonna give me is she gonna give me a hotel room?
Listen, that's Spirit choice. I can't tell you that.
I can afford to spend money on Spirit, and they're not gonna give me a hotel room.
The thing is, they
to
can
calm me down.
They can always refund you back your money.
They can do that too, but I also would want them to fund me a hotel room.
If they refund you back your money, that's the thing. So what's your final decision?
Give me a hotel room to let me calm down.
You're not talking.
For tonight? So you would do that for me not to, I'm not fit to travel. I can deal with that.
All right.
I can deal with that.
I
can deal with that.
Listen, what's your name?
Candace Lorraine Calise, come on now. I'm not that stupid.
Candace.
But I just want to make sure she's willing to give me that and not give me nothing. Then I'll be spending a hotel room with nothing. I got to spend more money out of my pocket. You understand what I'm saying?
I get it.
Because even if she don't give me that hotel, no, but listen.
If she get a hotel room, yes or no? You're not getting a hotel room.
So what the f*** I'm sitting here for?
All right then, so she's just getting a flight for tomorrow, right?
We have a flight that's went on the.
But why can't I get a hotel room? If I'm a little under the influence.
Are you guys done
But
with
I'm
it?
just saying, if I'm under the influence.
Are you done with it?
But if I'm under the influence.
What you want to do, Candace, is your choice.
But if I'm under the influence, when you should be willing to give me a hotel room?
They're not going to give you a hotel room, Candace.
So what happens to stay on the street?
You can stay in the airport and chill.
People lay over here on the seats all the time.
Yeah.
Y'all can't be kidding me,
Candace, no Thursday.
Me spending my money on a hotel room to be spending the night on a hotel floor.
Candace, no Thursday.
Give me a hotel room. Why you can't give me a hotel room?
When Spirit Airlines denied boarding, the decision was not discretionary. Federal aviation law does not give a carrier the option to permit a visibly intoxicated passenger to board. The denial was legally required. Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 121-575, prohibits boarding a visibly intoxicated passenger. Opendral intoxication at initial contact satisfied that federal threshold, making Spirit's denial mandatory, not a judgment the airline had authority to override. That distinction carries legal weight. A mandatory denial under federal regulation cannot be reversed through negotiation or demands for accommodation at the counter. Spirit's authority was not optional. It was federally required and legally binding.
Stop it, officer. Why wouldn't I be ever? if you know that I'm not eligible to fucking fly.
Candace.
But I'm being honest with you. If it was you, I would be kind enough to give you a hotel room for you to spend a night so you can relax.
All right, come on, Candace.
All right, whatever. I just don't understand how I spend my $200 and something dollars. But I'm just saying, if I spend my $200 and something dollars.
And I agree,
but I'm just saying, if it was you,
I agree.
and you spend your $200 and something dollars, they're not giving. Mind your business. If I'm not giving you $200,
I don't know.
If I'm not
you're
giving,
the king, though. That's why.
But if I'm not
why you don't like this guy?
I'm not saying I don't like him.
He's a good guy.
No, I don't say I don't like you. But I'm just saying, if I was giving you $200 to deal with Spirit,
I agree.
that's not even that experience.
Let's go sit
To
down.
let you travel. Why wouldn't they give you that experience?
I agree.
I'm being honest.
I get what
Like really, literally.
I get what you're saying, Candace.
No,
but
you're not getting what I'm saying. You kicking me out the airport.
I'm not kicking you out, but I'm
You
just saying.
are.
I'm trying to make you sit down. Where you say that?
If I'm up like this and I'm
That's why I want you to sit down.
Why wouldn't you give me a hotel room so I can chill out for the night?
Come sit down. Sit down and
Oh
relax.
my God.
The demand for hotel accommodation rested on a legal claim that does not exist. Federal denied boarding compensation rules apply only to passengers displaced by airline overbooking, not to passengers whose own conduct triggered the denial. Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 250, covers involuntary denied boarding from overbooking only. A passenger refused transport due to apparent intoxication falls outside that protection. No accommodation, no rebooking priority, and no compensation is owed. With no legal entitlement to accommodation and a lawful directive to leave already on the record, the passenger's continued presence at the terminal shifted the nature of the encounter from a civil dispute into criminal statutory territory under Florida law. Florida Statute 856-011 criminalizes intoxication in a public place accompanied by a public disturbance. The terminal qualifies on the first prong. Sustained conduct requiring continuous police mediation qualifies on the second. A direct order to leave followed by refusal triggered Florida Statute 810-08. Trespass in a structure requires only remaining in a building after a warning is issued. Both elements were documented.
In the airport.
You want to go? Listen.
No, I mean, being honest, as a police officer.
Now listen to me. You gonna calm down, or are you gonna be somewhere else?
But being as a
calm down. I'm not joking.
well, being honest,
Calm down.
as a police officer, being in the airport for 2 days.
You're getting a refund. That's it. You're done.
No,
you're done with Spirit.
but being in the airport for
You're
2
done with
days.
Spirit. We try to help you. You're getting a
You're
refund.
gonna not help me being here for 2 days in the airport.
Let's go. You're getting a refund.
Like literally being here for 2 days in the airport.
So you're getting your.
You're no help to me.
You're getting a refund.
I'll take my refund and go about it. I'm gonna take my refund and go about my business.
Now, we're
I'm
done.
being
Let's
honest.
get a refund.
Because if I'm for him to be an officer, he's not helping me out. For sleeping in the airport for 2 days for
Hey, one more.
I'm done. Let me get my refund. Yeah, let me get my refund. I'll take my refund. Because he's not helping me out. I thought you was helping me out.
I was.
How? You letting me sleep in the airport for 2 days?
You're getting a refund. You're done.
How? You helping me out? You making me sleep in the airport for 2 days? Sober up for 2 days? That's not sober enough for 2 days. I only need 24 hours to sober up. How can I get arrested for him helping me out, for helping me for 2 days?
Hey, no more. Just refund
Come
and if
on,
you're out.
man. That's ridiculous. That's a lawsuit right there. If he's gonna lock me up for being sober for 2 days, that's a lawsuit. Let's go with it. I'm ready to go with it. Hello? Hello? How can he take me to jail and ask him for help? He's not willing to help me. He's trying to make me spend a night in the
After you
airport
give her a
for 2
refund,
days.
she's done.
Man, I'm done. Bye. I'll be done. I'll be done. Because I'm not giving a about somebody having me sleep in the airport for 2 days. You in here?
Yes, sir, go ahead. Can you be 2 India 40 is 94, and that's fine.
You're not trying to help me, making me spend a night in the airport for 2 days.
I'm done talking to you.
Why would you make me stop? You're done talking to me, you're making me spend a night.
She just get a credit? You don't need it? All right, we're done. You're getting the credit. Let's go.
What I'm getting? But let me see. I need to see. I need
You
to
got the
see.
paperwork to give it to her?
Yes, thank you. I need the paperwork.
All right, you're done. You're
No,
done.
no. No, I need the paperwork. I need the number.
Give her a confirmation number.
Thank you. You're not about to leave me out in the open. No,
Give her a confirmation number printed out, and she's done.
That's not going to make me for 2 days for nothing. And you still trying to make me wait for 2 days.
All right, guys.
Nobody a hard time.
Ma'am, you gotta go.
I'm not giving nobody a hard time.
You're done. Let's go.
Why are you being so hard on me?
Come on, let's go. It's either that or
All
you're
right,
gonna go to jail.
come on.
It's either that or you're gonna go to jail.
Why are you trying to sit me in jail when I'm trying to get a flight out of the house?
We're done. You gotta leave this airport.
Why do I have to leave the airport when I'm telling you I'm trying to get a flight?
It's either this or you're gonna go to jail.
Why is you doing this to me when I tell you I was trying to get a flight
I'm
though?
gonna tell you again. Let's
But
go.
I'm being honest.
Ma'am, you're already...
I'm willing to go.
Let's go.
No,
Come on.
let's get it on record before I walk out of the airport because I'm recording everything.
All right.
Now, why am I leaving the airport when I
Let's go
told
out.
you?
Let's go outside.
No, when I told you
All right, this is the last
that I
one.
was leaving the airport.
You're done. You're going to jail. Yep.
I was telling you I was leaving the airport. But I told you I was leaving the airport. And why am I? Why am I done? If I told you I was leaving the airport. And you still put a handcuff on me for no reason.
Come on.
Terminal 2, the family room, the 1022. 320.
You're really taking me out of the airport for no reason. Why you literally? When I asked you for no fault.
Terminal 2, Concourse D in the family room. Martha's advising small gray backpack, unknown to the backpack belongs.
You see how they treated me, right?
Let's go.
All right. I just want y'all to know. I just want y'all to know.
Okay. 49 on 1
Stop dragging me like that. Officer.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
All right, but I'm sourcing. I'm telling you that. I'm going to tell you if I want it. Stop dragging me like that.
Stand by 041, 1033. Get in 315. Go ahead. Copy of 68 at the rental car center. Stop.
The federal threshold under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 121-575, the appearance of intoxication, was met at the outset of the encounter. The carrier's obligation was triggered before any negotiation began. That standard does not account for the passenger's own assessment of fitness. The prohibition is mandatory, not discretionary, and cannot be waived by negotiation persistence or any appeal to the carrier's judgment. The public disturbance element of Florida Statute 856-01 does not require violence. Sustained conduct requiring extended law enforcement intervention and a final ultimatum satisfies that element as a matter of documented record. Florida Statute 810-08 requires only a warning to leave and a decision to remain. Both elements are documented in the record. No further conduct is required to establish criminal trespass under Florida law. The two charges carry independent evidentiary basis. Disorderly intoxication under 856-01 rests on the counter disturbance. Trespass under 810-08 rests on remaining after warning. Neither depends on the other to survive. A sincere belief of mistreatment is not a defense to criminal trespass. An intent to pursue legal action does not create a right to remain on the premises after a lawful directive to leave is on the record. The passenger earns a D. She correctly recognized she was not fit to travel. But from that moment forward, every legal assessment failed, and each escalation added criminal exposure she had no basis to resist. No accommodation was legally owed. The directive to leave was lawful. Continued presence after that directive was criminally actionable. Each of these outcomes was avoidable at multiple stages of the encounter. The responding officer earns a B. He sustained composure through a prolonged and repetitive confrontation, offered every lawful option available, documented each warning clearly, and arrested only after all alternatives were exhausted. The patience displayed was above standard for an encounter of this duration. The warning, ultimatum, and arrest sequence was correctly ordered, and each step was captured on body camera in a way that withstands legal scrutiny. Federal aviation regulation gives an air carrier no discretion to board a visibly intoxicated passenger. It imposes a mandatory obligation to refuse. No accommodation remedy attaches to that refusal when the passenger caused the disqualifying condition. When a lawful order to leave is issued and declined, consumer dispute becomes criminal trespass under Florida Statute 810-08. Subjective belief of mistreatment does not alter or suspend that conversion under Florida law.